Okay, this one's going to be the Macau Grand Prix, and you can see the sign, so we're just going to talk about it. It's going to be in 2020, of course, and there's a little race car that's kind of cool as well. Another one over there, a little trophy. Okay, let's talk all about it in a minute and show you the part of the track. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is the Macau Grand Prix. It looks like it's going to be set up for November 2020. And then you can see the racetrack, so it goes all the way down. So let's just follow it down a little bit, and then you can see exactly what it's going to look like. But you see that black and yellow back way down there? So just so that you know, I did another video with the World Trade Center. So there's black and yellow, and let's see. I think I see a little bit down there, but basically the Grand Prix, there's this will transform, and that black and yellow is kind of the barriers, and they'll put like a big long high gate right where this road is at, and then nobody can cross over, and it'll be closed to traffic. Traffic will have to find another way around. And they'll have this giant Grand Prix that comes in the city every year. So it's designated for November 19 through 22 this year in 2020. But as you can guess, it's a COVID year. So if that actually happens or not, whole other story. Nobody knows at this time. So let's see what else we can see here. Down there is Fisherman's Wharf, and also the Macau Ferry Terminal, which is closed now. So in the past, you could just come off of the ferry terminal, and you could basically just walk here within 5 to 10 minutes, I guess, 5 minutes maybe. And then yeah, you could basically see the Grand Prix. There's tourists coming. There's somebody with a suitcase there. And this is Grand Lapa. Grand Lapa looks quite beautiful on the other side, so we'll see if we can, how far we can walk around it a little bit. So in this particular one, we're going to be focusing on the Grand Prix. I think in some other videos I've talked about the Grand Prix a little bit. There's one place called Compact Bar, and Compact Bar, you can watch it. There's a buffet you can eat, and you can just have seats that overlook the event the whole time, which is kind of cool because they also set up stands everywhere, and then the stands will you know, you'll be basically in the sun, and you'll just have to kind of bear through the experience in the hot sun. And I think people bring umbrellas, and some of them have shade though. And right over there is the ferry terminal straight ahead, and this one is Fisherman's Wharf. And then you have a casino right here, Sands Casino. And yeah, it's Casino Eastern as well. Seems like there's more. Casino Eastern. Never been in that place. Okay. So I've definitely filmed in a lot of these places. So Fisherman's Wharf, I have some past videos, so if you want to look at that, you can. I don't think I'm going to go down there today, but Fisherman's Wharf is kind of a big, interesting space. I've talked about it in other videos, so we'll take a look for that. And I think we're going to end this one right here for the Grand Prix one. But yeah, this is the booth where they call it all that from. All right. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.